2 months after its Philippine launch, we finally get to drive it. This is the all-new CRV. Let's find out how it performs in this first drive as well as what sort of features you get. I'll forgive you if you think this all-new CRV is just a refresh. Why? Well, basically the proportions and the lines would stay close to what the CRV typically is. That means it's an evolution of the design. But you know what? I like it. It's cleaner, it's more taut, it's sportier, and above all, they emphasize on things like a roomier interior, which we'll get to that later. In terms of design, this new, almost upright grille is what sets it apart. Now, between variants, it's almost all the same. This is the 1.5 VX Turbo. The base V, however, has this in a matte black finish. Now, regardless of the variant, you get slim LED headlights with sequential turn signals that would make it a bit more technical, a bit more advanced than ever before. 18-inch alloy wheels are also standard across the lineup, but the RS would get these in a high gloss black finish. Now, this is what I was talking about. In terms of the CRV, it's been able to encapsulate its role as a family-friendly crossover, and you can see that in the way they emphasize the cabin space right here. A more formal roofline that goes all the way to the third row. Yes, this one has 3 rows of seats just like the previous CRV, and towards the back you get a larger trunk than ever before. Now, one thing that I have to say is that I like this new treatment right here. The vertical taillight design has always been a CRV trademark, but this time it gets a more Eurocentric design element that people say it looks sort of like BMW cross Volvo-ish. Now, I'm going to open the trunk this time, and as you can see, power tailgate is standard across the lineup as well. And for the 7-seat variants, you can collapse it completely flat, or you can use this nifty divider so that you can create a larger load space as well.
In this all-wheel drive variant of the all-new CR-V, we'll take you through the interior features of the cabin. First off, you have the steering wheel with the steering wheel controls that are pertinent to Honda Sensing. Then you have this large infotainment system monitor. Right below it, you have the honeycomb signature design element that was also present in the Honda Civic, and now it's here in the all-new CR-V.
Now, a lot of you are asking, how is the third row? And we'll get to that right now. In terms of the mechanism, you actually do this to tumble the second row. If you notice, the seat actually goes up a bit and goes forward, and this gives you easier entry into the third row. Now, going inside, now I'm in actually the tighter part of the third row area of the CR-V. So as you can see, it's still good for kids, not much on the adults, but they've made some improvements right here to make it more hospitable, maybe for short drives or maybe the occasional long drive. With the all-new CR-V, Honda's decided to drop the diesel, so that's bye-bye all burners for those who are not fans of it. In that regard, what Honda has done is that they put in a standard 1.5-liter turbo engine and the first ever strong hybrid, the HEV technology for the Philippine market. Now, we're driving the 1.5-liter VX Turbo, and it does produce a competent level of power, 190 PS, which is enough to carry 7 people aboard this drive that we did from Manila all the way to Subic, and then we're going to be driving it back. In terms of handling, the CR-V has known to be a competent all-rounder, and that's still the case right here. It's all about mixing safe, secure handling with a bit of spirited performance, but most of all, excellent riding comfort. That's one of the things that makes the CR-V a very compelling package, and that's still true with the all-new generation that we have right here. Now, if you do move to the EHEV and I would recommend that you go for the EHEV. That version has a built-in cheat mode with a peak torque of 335 Newton meters from 0 RPM. That car is just a rocket ship through the twisties. And what's amazing about it is the engagement and disengagement of the electric motor and the gas engine. It's so seamless that you would think that you're just driving like an electric vehicle all the way. It's that good.
Honda CR-V has been always Filipino favorite for more than 25 years since it initially launched in 1997. And today we are really happy for the media friends to experience our all-new Honda CR-V of the 6th generation. So we'd like to highlight the upgrade of the latest technology of the all-new Honda CR-V, especially the EHEV and also the VTEC Turbo. So with the EHEV, we deliver the outstanding driving pleasure with the 3 kinds of the EV mode, 3 kinds of the driving mode, including the EV mode, and also exceptional environmental performance with the class top level of the fuel efficiency. And the VTEC Turbo also, we can provide the customers fun to drive at will with the agile acceleration and also sophisticated driving experiences. Of course, together with the much improved fuel efficiency. And on top of that, we also introduced the Honda Connect, very first time in the Philippine market. And with the advanced telematics technologies, we enable the customers always connect to the vehicles with through the smartphone application for the enhanced safety, security, and the convenience features. So with the experience of the all-new CR-V, we are really sure we can move the customer's mind. So this is also connected to our latest global brand slogan, how we move you. Thank you so much.
Since its official launch, Honda has clocked in over 400 units in terms of sales for the all-new CR-V. And rightly so. Apart from being packed with a slew of new features, it comes consistently with the signature driving performance that Honda is known for. Currently, the best-selling variant is the all-wheel drive Turbo, but we highly encourage you to check out the hybrid variant if you're on the market for it. Check out the all-new CR-V at all Honda dealerships nationwide.